In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix my HP OMEN 16 not turning on. So you can see it actually does turn on now, which is perfect, but before I wasn't able to turn it on whatsoever. So basically what I had to do is that I'm going to show you what you have to do as well is to remove anything that is connected to your HP OMEN. It could be even this small USBs and stuff like that. Everything that is connected to the computer, remove everything. So check if it's anything here or here that is connected, including obviously what I showed you before with the charger. Make sure to basically remove everything. Now what you need to do after you have removed everything is that you're going to look for this power button right here. As you can see, you're going to press on it and hold it for about 30 to 60 seconds. The reason why you need to do this is because it's going to remove all the excess like power, and it's going to hopefully fix that so that you're able to restart your computer once again. So I did this, I held it for about a minute myself, and then once again I clicked on it one more time. After 60 seconds I waited a little bit until it all was turned off. Once again, nothing needs to be connected, and then afterwards just click on the power button once again and see if your computer now starts again. And when you do click on it once again, make sure that you have nothing connected, even the charger, just so that you're aware of that. And basically, hopefully that will be able to fix it for you as well.